Is there stuff on my butt? We haven't had any luck fishing, so we're gonna get some live bait. And we're gonna do it my way. It's some Stone Heath, the cheese. We're getting some rocks to make a fishing trap. And right now my neighbor's bunny is in our yard. If y'all want to see the bunny, it's right here. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna get some rocks. Alrighty guys, come on with me. Hello bunny. On this trap, I decided to use a lot of other baits to see what fish like more. First, you need water bottles. For all the people who like recycling water bottles, this is for you. Then you need bait. I'm most excited to use the goldfish. And then you need Sharpies to label it. Ribbon or string, whatever you have laying around. Scissors. Don't use these without an adult. You don't want to end up like this guy. These hands don't even have a body anymore. Rocks. You really saw in the video I didn't use enough of them. The more the better. So first we have a bottle. Then we have goldfish. These are the foods we're going to be using. Bread, potato salad, and worms. And shrimp. I'm really interested to see what the bait fish like the most. First, you'll cut off the tip. Oh. Turn it in and then you're going to put this. No. My name's Stone. Don't call me Rock. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's go. First, we'll put the rocks in. That's enough. We got some rocks that I put in there. This is potato salad time. You get? No, Viv. Then you get the potato salad. You put it in there. Oh, and then it's in there. You put the lid on. And now that's good. We're going to go ahead and do all the rest.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Oh gosh, like go back. I got. Oh. What you can't see in this video is that it's freezing. It has me a little worried that any fish are going to go into these traps. Let me know what you think in the comments. I either think my traps are going to catch a lot or nothing. Let me explain why. When it gets cold here in Louisiana, smaller fish turn to go into smaller channels of water, like ditches, so that they can stay warm. But I'm not sure what body of water this ditch connects to. Ah! Wasp nest.
Oh, back.
I can't get out. Frickin' a bear. Oh, there's frickin'. I almost just fell. Ow! A wasp sting me on my. Alrighty, it's over there. Someone's gonna steal it. Alrighty, guys. We have an issue. It's Stone Heath, the chief, and we got stuck. So my mom's gonna ride it. Run it off someone's property. Mom, this is someone's property. Alrighty, guys. So this is my sister. She's riding her thing. We got it to work. So now we're going back to my house. Bye. What's up, y'all? I decided to go for a little bike ride to end the video. Safety first, y'all. Always wear a helmet. Let me know in the comments if y'all have had any luck setting these traps like mine. Make sure to like and subscribe and come back to see if I have any luck. Till then, be great, don't hate. Go make the great outdoors your playground. This is Stone Heath the Chief signing off. Peace.